Yes, people, they are again day one same way. So in the evening, you know. So I go on at the evening, isn't it? Tomorrow on the surface tomorrow, all of that's supposed to board up. And the other one's supposed to be on the same level. Right. Yes, sir, Bingy. I turn around on the side of it, you know. Right, you know where you're going now. You don't see it. So long as no Babylon now watch you still, you know everything good, isn't it? Alright, bear in mind the discretion of the music we hear and next door it a play. Because the other day I hear some little copyright thing. You know see, I don't know how me I got have control over I'm on a next door neighbor radio and stuff like that. But anyway, we are highlight work, you see. So watch what I want now. Tomorrow is some more. So big up on yourself and people. Johnson's Carpentry from a pin to an anchor. Alright? Blessings. Peace out.